This is our new Ford BSV. As you can see, I'm going to be demonstrating it on a Ford Explorer 2017 with a Ford Sync 3 system. And as you can see, we've added our own icon overlay onto the OEM screen. So while driving or whenever you need to use any of the blind spot cameras, you can click the BSV icon and you can see it'll show the right and left split view. And you can choose between split view, front camera, trailer camera, left, right, and back to blind spot split. And you have an option to add 5 different cameras, and if you click the BSV icon again, it'll go back to OEM. So if you click BSV, it'll come back into split view. You can add front, trailer, left, right, back to split, and back to OEM. The same way, if you use the turn signals, it'll switch to split view, and even while having the turn signals on, you can still use it. And if the turn signals, it'll turn back to OEM after the turn signals turn off. And the same thing is with reverse. So if you put reverse, it'll show you the OEM reverse plus the OEM guidelines plus sensors. And while in reverse, you can click the BSV icon and you can have the right and left split view plus the OEM reverse. And if you click BSV again, it'll go away. And after you get out of reverse, it'll show the front camera for a couple of seconds before returning to OEM. So BSV, front, trailer, left, right, split, back to OEM, turn signals, and OEM reverse, BSV, front, and back to OEM.